what I understand, they were hoarded in a house all together. He's pretty thin. He's got hip bones from him. So they moved out and they just put him in the yard and they left. Okay, so we have these kitties came in from the animal control. Their owner moved out. There were 7 of them and they left them behind. So let's see. Hey, do you want to be my friend? Huh? You want to be my friend? Okay. Can we come out and take a look at you? Okay, I know that's a little stressful. There, he's purring.
Air biscuits.
Let's do FAS 0 on that one. You gonna come be my friend too? Baby boy. Just freezing a little bit. That's soft blinks. I'm saying FAS 0 as well. Alright. Okay, this little girl, she's a little smaller. She's shaking. So fear level's pretty high here. I would say she probably needs this turned sideways in a feral hide, just to get her fear level down.
Okay.
Because she's been with these males, she's at the right age. She's probably getting attacked a little bit. That's about to end for you, okay? I'm gonna say FAS 3 on her.
Okay.
So, don't know about sibling or anything. I'm just gonna check you out. Got some slow blink. He's trying to show me that he's not, gonna be aggressive or anything, but he's scared. Breathing pretty fast. Okay. Little girl. She may be a sibling of these. You see she's got a bald area right here on her where she's been stress grooming. So we're gonna say FAS 3. We're gonna also put a hide in for her. So if I had to guess, they've been kept together somewhere and the girls are getting mated with, and they're very young. They're like 4 months old. She's looking for a way out, so if we can get her a hide ASAP. It's friendly because it's up against the cage. Okay, let's do the gender on this one real quick.
No.
Okay, doesn't know what the blanket is.
I was like, he sees something he's unsure of.
He doesn't know what the blanket is. Well, that's sad. Okay. So I'll say FAS 3 on that one as well. So from what I understand, they were hoarded in a house all together. He's pretty thin. He's got hip bones from him. So they moved out and they just put him in the yard and they left. Baby right here had urinated all over himself here. This last one in here's got the highest FAS level. Also 3, I think there.
Okay.
This one right here is really fearful, so I'm gonna lift the whole thing up. So, also a male, urinated all over himself. So these 2 little females, this little female is hissing. So I actually want to move this kennel all the way over there away from these males. I think she has been attacked by them. These girls are probably already pregnant even at 4 or 5 months.
So it's 2
You
females,
can see the difference.
and how many males?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
To 2 females, 2 young females.